If you haven't tried Lieutenant blenders, I highly recommend. This is my third flavor from them, and I am honestly obsessed because they are so easy to make. They're great for parties and for travel, and I took them out on the river, out on our boating days this summer, and they were genius. So let me tell you about them. So this bag will hold 21 servings. So you can choose between a cocktail style or a slushy freezer style, and it tells you right here on the bag how to do it. So if you want a slushy, like I do, I call them Fufu Lalas, you add in your lid, you add water to this line, and then you'll add your wine or your rum or your gin to this line. Now if you want, then you'll freeze it. Now if you want a cocktail, you will add water over this side, add some kind of spirits here, and then it does say optional triple sec if you wanted to add that as well. I had a strawberry daiquiri one that I made with rum, and it was delicious. Like, we went through the bag in a day. The neighbors couldn't keep their hands out of it. It was delightful. And then I saw this one, and I knew that I had to have this for fall and winter and all of the berry lovey holiday seasons coming up. So this is their blueberry pomegranate. They also have other flavors that you can check out as well, but I am obsessed. I highly recommend.